This how to 1 minute will show you how to block a website on Chrome on computer. First of all, open your Chrome browser and open Chrome Web Store and search here block site. Click on this extension and all you have to need just add this extension on your browser and make sure to pin the extension from here. Once it's pinned, click on the extension icon. Click on the settings icon and enter here the web address which you want to block, and then click on add item. So the Facebook has been blocked. If I open my Facebook here, as you can see, this site is blocked. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.